Hey everyone, this is Josh with SKAA. In the previous video, I introduced the Ryobi Score speakers. Remember, there are two speakers in the Ryobi Score model P765 box with SKAA Nadia technology. There's one Nadia hub, which Ryobi calls the primary speaker. This is the one with the LCD display, and its model number is P760. And there's one Nadia satellite, which Ryobi calls the secondary. The secondary speaker's model number is P761. This one is just an ordinary SKAA receiver. We'll be using Ryobi's primary and secondary names in this video series, so you can follow along easily in the Ryobi Score user manual. Previously, I used the primary speaker's built-in FM tuner to listen to the radio, and at the same time relay that same audio over to the secondary speaker. In this video, I'll expand my network from 2 speakers to 3. In addition to selling a pair of primary and secondary speakers in a box, Ryobi also sells the secondary speaker separately, so you can easily add speakers to your SKAA network. So let's open up this secondary speaker box and add a speaker to our system. Our new addition powers up in Amber Explore mode. Almost for sure it will immediately bond to the primary and start playing its audio just like mine did here. If it plays the wrong audio, you can double-click the bond button to get it to drop bond and find the primary. Once it's playing the same audio as the primary, hold down the bond button for a few seconds until the SKAA indicator turns green. Green means the secondary has remembered the primary and will automatically listen to it from now on. To get a cheat sheet on how the SKAA bond button works, download the SKAA Receiver User's Guide from skaa.com/TLC. Now that we've got all 3 speakers up and running, let's listen to some music using Bluetooth. So I'll just click the gear button to get to Bluetooth mode and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on my phone. I then pair with the Ryobi Score primary speaker, play a song from my music library, Spotify, or any other audio app, and it works. I can click the preset button to pause and play my audio. And I can use the Tune Seek buttons to select previous song or next song on my phone. If I want the primary to drop its connection to my phone, I can just press and hold the preset button. This is handy if I want to let one of my friends connect and have a turn at being DJ. You can easily see it's in pairing mode when you see a big BT flashing on the LCD display. You can also listen to the radio by switching to the integrated FM tuner. I can also use the 1/8" aux input on my primary speaker to feed in audio from a phone, iPod, MP3 player, my ancient Sony Walkman, or pretty much anything that outputs analog audio. Use your own cable to do this. It can be 1/8" to 1/8" or 2 RCA to 1/8". Like we did before, we just need to click the gear button to switch to aux input. You can use a network of 3 Ryobi Score speakers like this to play Bluetooth, FM, or aux audio in multiple rooms of your house, multiple locations outdoors, or around your workshop or worksite. They have a 150-foot range, so you can put the primary in your kitchen, a secondary in your living room or office, and another secondary out on your deck or patio. Each primary can relay audio up to 4 secondary speakers, so you can have them all over the place. Another great feature of the Ryobi Score speakers is that there's no audio delay between the speakers. The primary speaker uses delay compensation on its own audio to make sure that its audio is synchronized with the secondary's audio. This means that regardless of how many speakers you use, sound will come out of all of them exactly at the same time. So that's an overall run-through of how to add additional Score secondary speakers, actually any SKAA receiver, to your Ryobi Score speaker system. Ryobi Score speakers are available at the Home Depot.
SKAA. Share audio anywhere.